Hi guys, Phil here, and Nichesss has released an updated version of the long form editor creator, and I think it's a step in the right direction. So I thought I'd record a quick video to show you the steps that you need to take to get some content out of this. So go to any of your projects, and then what we'll be taken to is the long form editor. And all we need to do here is actually give it some details as you would expect. So if we click on auto write, it's going to say nothing, no errors. So what we need to do is click onto, we've got a section here, templates, which is apparently going to be expanded. We've got biography and blog post. So we do a blog post for today. Click on to copy, and then we go into our editor, click into or paste into the editor, and you'll see we've got some commands here: topic, intro, topic, blog outline. We don't need to worry about these too much, but we click on auto write, we're going to get an error here, so we need to replace the variables. This is going to be the content topic that we want the article to be generated about. So let's say I don't know, holiday in Blackpool, UK. Okay. Is the attraction of going on holiday to Blackpool, UK. Give it a little bit more direction. So for anybody who doesn't know, Blackpool is a holiday resort in the northwest of England. It used to be really, really famous, and it's still quite famous. It's full of various kind of like seaside attractions, best way to describe it. So what is there to do in Blackpool for a family holiday? Let's see, what is there to do for a couple's romantic holiday weekend break in Blackpool? UK. Okay, so you see also we've got a conclusion already in this particular outline here for the blog post. So let's click on apply and see what we get. So we see that all of the variables have been replaced now. All we need to do is click on auto write. Okay, I've just scanned through the first paragraph, and that's pretty cool. And you've got Blackpool Tower, Blackpool Zoo, Pendle Hill, illuminations, promenade. Yeah, that's great. Blackpool is a small town on the Irish sea coast in Lancashire. It is actually on the Irish sea coast. Yeah, all that's accurate. Yeah, I think this is pretty damn spiffy. So, top job, Malcolm. Anybody who's got Nichesss, then you've got an additional tool to actually start generating content. And also, as you know, you can actually dive into these various sections and expand on these should you wish to do so, to actually increase the word count and data you've got available. So let's see, Blackpool Tower. We'll expand on that one. I've hit my day. Sorry, guys, I've hit my daily limit there because while it's in beta format, we've got certain limitations. While Malcolm's just tweaking it and finding out the best way to use this. But anyway, I'm thinking this is a really, really good job for anybody who's got Nichesss and has been like kind of looking for ways to quickly generate long form content. This is definitely a step in the right direction. Okay, guys, hope this helps. Take it easy. Any questions, let me know. All right, bye bye.